Semua nggak ada yang tahu? Nah, proses terjadinya fenomena alam tersebut disebut kita akan bahas dalam materi text explanation. Jadi hari ini kita belajar text explanation. Nah, apa sih yang kita akan pelajari hari ini? Let's see ya. Bunda buat perbesar itu. Okay, what we learn? The first is untuk memudahkan supaya pembelajaran kita menarik. Jadi Bunda akan menyajikan beberapa some pictures, video. Jadi tampilannya juga pakai slide. Ada apa? Bahan ajar nanti sudah Bunda share semua di Google Classroom-nya, sudah lihat semua ya? Good, sudah dipelajari. Ada tugasnya membuat peta konsep kan? Sudah kirim semua? Sudah. Oke, good, very good. Next, kita masih menggunakan Google Classroom meskipun kita tatap muka seperti ini. Nah, Google Classroom ini fungsinya seperti biasa untuk menyetorkan tugas, mengumpul tugas itu ke Google Classroom. Nah, Google Form ini kita gunakan untuk evaluasi. Nanti setiap di akhir kegiatan selalu kita melakukan evaluasi. Nah, nanti linknya Bunda akan berikan di akhir kegiatan. Nah, kita akan belajar tentang explanation text. Explanation text itu ada banyak, cuman kita fokus di natural dan sosial fenomena. Jadi kita fokus di sini. Sebenarnya ada lagi yang lain, yang dua, yaitu kita belajar tentang traditions ya, kemudian science itu dibahas juga di sini. Cuma kita fokus di bahasan natural and social fenomena, fenomena alam dan fenomena sosial. Jadi kalau belajar fenomena alam, fenomena sosial, kita belajar tentang fisika, geografi, ekonomi, kemudian sosiologi. Luar biasa. Keren kan belajar bahasa Inggris kan nggak? Keren. Bilang keren. Wow, keren. Wow, keren. Good. So study English is interesting ya. Belajar bahasa Inggris itu menarik sekali. Bisa belajar materi apa saja. Kemudian apa sih tujuannya kita belajar kali ini? Jadi we will learn the objective of our learning today. The first is after you learn about explanation text, we hope, kita berharap semua bisa explain, ya, bisa menjelaskan tentang sebuah konsep text explanation, kemudian comparing, membandingkan teks, and then concluding and construct the social function text structure and language features. Jadi kita bisa menyimpulkan, kemudian nanti kita akan menyusun text explanation ya. I think study English is easy ya. Oke, before we ini berikutnya apa sih yang dimaksud sinkronus dengan asinkronus? Nah, yang kita lakukan ini namanya sinkronus, sinkron bertatap muka. Mau tatap maya atau tatap muka seperti ini namanya sinkronus. Asinkronus itu tugas-tugas mandiri yang diberikan lewat Google Classroom itu. Kenapa? Oke, we enter to the core, kita masuk ke inti kegiatan kita. Sebelum kita masuk ke kegiatan pertama, I want to ask you, are you ready? Ready. It is so easy. Thank you very much, luar biasa nih ya. Terima kasih. 11 MIPA 1, keren ya? Oke, kita lanjut ke materi pertama. Bunda akan menunjukkan sesuatu. Mana yang Bunda di depan atau di belakang? Gak apa-apa, Bunda di belakang ya, sambil lihat di depan. Ini kemarin tugas mandirinya ya. Bunda ingin mengecek kembali, tadi sudah Bunda cek. Oke, let's continue. Sudah lihat gambarnya semua? Sudah. Oke. Pay attention to the pictures. There are 4 pictures over there. I give you time 2 minutes to pay attention to the pictures. 2 menit untuk memperhatikan di atas. Ya? You get the point? Sudah dapat poinnya? Yes. Let's see, apa yang kita lakukan terhadap poin ini? Bunda arahkan dulu. I ask you about the picture 1. What do you know about the picture 1? Tsunami. Picture 2? Landslide. Okay, good. Picture 3? Photosynthesis. What about picture 4?
Back home.
Apa ya? Apa yang pulang kampung ini mungkin ya? Okay. All of these pictures. Okay, all of these pictures is explanation text, ya, explanation text. 2 menit untuk melengkapi tabel di atas. Look at the pictures and match the social function of it. Ya, oke, 2 minutes, only 2 minutes. Hurry up.
Go.
2 minutes ya. You just match and about the description. Tadi yang poin kolom pertama kita sudah sudah bahas tadi apa namanya yang pertama, kedua, ketiga. Picture 1, 2, 3. Apa picture 1 tadi? Tsunami and then landslide and then photosynthesis and the fourth is back home. Homecoming ya, homecoming. Yeah, homecoming. Now you match this one. You write here. Yeah. Tulis description-nya. Ingat Anda nanti ini dirapikan, setiap tugas yang diberikan selama kegiatan itu dirapikan karena semua akan diunggah atau difoto, dikirim ke Google Classroom ya. Baik itu diskusi secara klasikal seperti ini maupun diskusi secara berkelompok. Oke, are you finished?
Finish.
Oke, one answer number 1.
Me.
Oke, bantu Kak, time is yours.
Tsunami. Describe the process of a tsunami.
Okay, good.
Natural phenomena.
Okay, good. Natural phenomenon. Clap for Tantrika. Okay, who wants to answer number 1? Number 2. Okay, Jenny Arif, how is yours?
One slide. Description function. Describe the process of landslide. Natural phenomena.
Okay, good. Thank you, Jenny Arif. Who wants to answer number 3? Okay, sorry, your name? Oh, Dewa Ayu. Okay. Dewa Ayu, how is yours?
This is about photosynthesis. Descriptive is the photosynthesis process.
Okay.
Natural atau sosial fenomenanya natural fenomena.
Okay, natural phenomena. Explain about describe the photosynthesis process. Okay. Who won the number 4? The last. Okay. Sorry, your name? Lalita. Okay. How is yours?
Explaining the coming home.
Coming home.
Going home.
Coming home. Okay.
Explaining the problems or consequences of going home or break flow.
Okay. Thank you very much. Yeah. Thank you very much. Okay. Clap for this section. Okay. Tepuk tangan untuk kalian cepat sekali menangkap dengan bantuan gambar. Bagaimana? Belajar dengan gambar tadi menarik atau tidak? Menarik. Apa bahasa Inggrisnya menarik? Interesting. Say interesting.
Interesting.
Everybody say English is interesting. Okay, good. Very good. Okay. Sudah semua? Sebelum kita lanjut ke section atau aktivitas kedua, I ask you, are you ready? Good, very good. Thank you. Next. iPad. Okay. Semua kelas IPA pasti sudah paham nih, ini apa ini? What is this? What the picture about? Photosynthesis. Where you learn about this material? Di mana belajar materi apa ini? Pelajaran apa? Biology. Okay, good. Okay, let's answer. Who can answer number 1? Amati dulu. Ibu beri waktu 2 menit untuk mengamati gambar. I give you time for 2 minutes. Pay attention about the cycles ya. Jadi siklusnya perhatikan. Okay, Ira? Cukup? Let's answer number 1. What do you know about photosynthesis? What photosynthesis is? Who can answer? Who can answer? Ayo. Okay, answer. Mention your name ya, misalnya Jenny Animum. Okay, Eva. Okay, answer.
Number 1, photosynthesis is the process which is like boiling. So harness energy from sunlight and turn into chemical energy.
Okay, very good. Eva. Who can? Ada yang lain? Ada yang beri jawaban lain selain pendapat dari Eva tadi? Mimin.
Photosynthesis, the process where English gain plants and certain other organisms transform.
Okay, good, very good. Thank you, Mimin. Okay, next we enter to number 2. Can you explain each stage? Siapa yang bisa menjelaskan ini tahapannya? Oke, ini menjawab juga poin keempat ya. Siklus ini tidak berurutan, jadi ini harus ada pengetahuan awal karena Anda di biologi sudah belajar ini kan? Tapi target kita nggak belajar biologi, target kita adalah belajar bahasa Inggris. I need you explain this picture in English. Kuat?
Mimo.
Okay, time is yours. Ulang ya, ulang. Okay, you can see kalau susah lihat di sana, you can see your Android. Everybody bring your Android, right? Okay, bisa lihat media yang sudah Bunda share di Google Classroom. Bisa lihat dari situ, silakan. Time is yours.
Photosynthesis process starting with light energy. Chlorophyll absorbs green wavelength from the sun, making plant look green.
Okay, good.
Then condense white carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide enters the
Carbon dioxide.
and opening in the leaf, epidermis, and cuticle. Next, water is absorbed toward the roots and carried toward the stem to the rest of the plant. A plant roots respire wet look during transpiration. Next, water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight combine in the leaf to make sugar and oxygen. Oxygen and water before exit the leaf toward the stomata. Water lost from leaf is called transpiration. Next, extract sugar is stored a starch food in the roots. Thank you.
Okay, carbon formula. This is very good. Okay, we can integrate in our lessons ya. Using English. Jadi belajar bahasa Inggris itu salah satunya seperti ini nak ya. Jadi sangat mudah sekali ketika mau mengimprove diri. Jadi try to explain everything. For example like this one, the biology, but we try to explain in English. Wow, Sunun, ada siapa lagi yang akan menjelaskan? Ada versi yang lain? Okay, time is yours. Alicia, Elizabeth. Okay, time is yours.
Photosynthesis. Light energy.
Ya.
Process where light transform the photovoltaic light to liquid. Di mana ini menjelaskan profil menyerap panjang gelombang hijau dari matahari dan membuat tanaman hijau.
Oke, ya.
Karbon dioksida. CO2, ethers,
Carbon dioxide.
ethers do the stomata, and opening the leaf, epidermis, and cuticle. Ini menjelaskan CO2 masuk melalui stomata, sebuah lubang di epidermis, dan cuticula daun.
Oke.
Next, water is observed through the roots and carried through the skin to the rest of the plant. A plant requires water to respiration. Menjelaskan air diserap melalui akar dan dibawa melalui batang ke seluruh tanaman. Akar tanaman menggantikan air yang hilang selama respirasi. Next, water, CO, carbon dioxide, and sunlight combine in the electromagnetic cycle. Menjelaskan air, CO2 dan sinar matahari bergabung di daun untuk membuat gula.
Oke.
Next, oxygen. Oxygen and water is the left to the stomata. Water loss from rivers in respiration. Di mana oksigen dan uap air keluar dari daun melalui stomata. Air yang keluar dari daun disebut transpirasi. Next, excess sugar is stored as sulfur in the roots. Artinya, kelebihan gula disimpan sebagai pati atau makanan di akar.
Oke, that's all. Very good. Oke, terima kasih. Oke, but the same cyclus ya. Jadi sempurna, kita mengeluarkan oksigen. Kita mengeluarkan oksigen atau karbon dioksida?
Karbon dioksida.
Okay. Humans push carbon dioxide, and then karbon dioksida itu diserap oleh tumbuhan. Maka bersyukurlah, cintai tumbuhan-tumbuhan yang ada di sekitar kita karena dia produce, the plant produce oxygen, right? Oke? Jadi tanaman menghasilkan oksigen, benar? Nah, makin banyak tanaman maka lingkungan akan terasa sehat. Oke, siap? Kita akan rajin menanam pohon. Oke, siap ya. Next, we enter to the next materials. Oh no, there is ada pertanyaan lagi ya. Is it man-made process or natural process?
Natural process.
Man-made?
Natural
Oh,
process.
natural process. Good. Next, what is the purpose of the text based on the picture? Apa tujuannya dalam konsep materi kita ini? Apa tujuannya tadi?
Untuk menjelaskan proses fotosintesis.
Oke, untuk menjelaskan proses fotosintesis. Who can say in English? Siapa yang bisa jelaskan dalam bahasa Inggris? Untuk menjelaskan proses fotosintesis. How to say in English? Okay.
To explain about the process of photosynthesis.
Okay, to explain about the process of photosynthesis. Clever for all of the students who have learned. Okay, next we enter to the next section. Okay, class, we will enter to the next material. Yeah, we will enter to the next material, but I will divide you become 4 group. Nah, ini sudah duduk di kelompok masing-masing. Oke, setuju kelompoknya seperti ini saja atau Bunda akan share ulang? Oke, jadi kita pakai kelompok ini ya. Pakai kelompok ini, nggak usah bergeser. Oke.
Yes.
Selanjutnya, the next, we will do group activities. Jadi kita akan melakukan tugas-tugas berkelompok. Oke? Kita akan melakukan tugas berkelompok. Nah, kita akan menonton sebuah tayangan video, ya, tayangan video tentang materi text explanation ini. Dan nanti ada beberapa pertanyaan itu dikaitkan dengan informasi yang ada dalam video. Jadi kalian akan menjawab pertanyaan berdasarkan informasi dalam video secara berkelompok. Oke? Ayo understand?
Yes.
Oke. We will watch a video. Kita akan menonton video yang luar biasa. Namun sebelum masuk ke sini, Bunda akan mengecek kesiapan Ananda. Are you ready?
Ready.
Easy. Thank you very much. Let's see the video. Oke, while you listening, ya, silakan catat poin-poin penting yang kalian dengar. Oke, sudah jelas? Oke, paham sure? Okay, while you listen, please make a note, yeah, for the point that you get. Okay, enough. Okay, 7 more, please. Now, let's recheck. Silakan diskusikan dulu poin-poin yang anda peroleh tadi selama mendengarkan atau menyimak video. Oke, silakan simak. Oke, sudah ya? Sudah dapat catatan tadi? Let's see. Kita coba dari hasil menyimak video tadi. Kalian sudah mencatat beberapa poin tentunya. Ini secara berkelompok. Grup 1, 2, 3, 4 ya. 1, 2, 3, 4. Angkat tangannya. Say grup 4 Mimin. Grup 1 Mimin Mam. Say ya. Karena selama proses diskusi ini, selama proses pembelajaran ini, semua ada poinnya ya. Jadi semakin aktif, semakin bagus skornya, ya. In the end, nanti di akhir ujian, yang paling aktif di kelas bahasa Inggris Bunda dari awal sampai akhir nanti akan liburan bersama Bunda.
Yes.
Okay, that's the point for you. I will give you slide present. Jadi jelas ada hadiah terbaik untuk 3 terbaik peserta pembelajaran bahasa Inggris. Okay, next. Silakan. Who want to answer number 1? What are those texts on the video about? Group 2? Who? Okay, Siska, group 2. How is yours?
Text 1 about landslide and text 2 about how to prevent the smoking.
Okay, there are 2 texts. Ada 2 teks di dalam ya. Yang lain setuju? Okay, agree ya. You agree. Okay, next. Jadi the first is landslide. Text 2 about how a teen addicted to smoking. Next, number 2. Based on the video, what generate cause the phenomena? Group mana lagi? What generate atau what cause the phenomena? Group 2? Yeah. Okay, group 2 ya nyari. Time is yours.
Landslide caused by earthquake that moves the underground plate which causes the element or the subsurface plate displaced, so it is causing friction and landslide. The teen addicted to smoking caused by often exposure to image of celebrities smoking, or teens may be faced with peers who smoke or family members who smoke in their home.
Okay, good. Good point ya. Jadi tadi dijelaskan proses bagaimana terjadinya lockshot dan bagaimana proses terjadinya mengapa remaja bisa kecanduan to smoking ya. Are you smoking, man? How many men here? You smoking?
No.
No, good, very good. 100
Mindlessly happen because of aesthetic the movie, the underground stairways cause the element or the surface that is dead, so it is causing tension and landslide. Then addition to smoking, because that are often exposed to image for celebrating smoking, then might be faced with first who smoking or family members who smoke in their home.
Oke, jadi merokok itu disebabkan gara-gara nonton artis ganteng gitu ya. Jadi supaya sejuk cool, supaya kelihatan cool. Jadi ikut merokok. Oke, but you don't influence about that ya. Jadi Bunda berharap anandaku yang remaja, putra maupun putri. Jadi putri juga biasa merokok, cuma di sini nggak ada ya.
Yes.
Di sono adanya. Oke, next. Very good, thank you ya. Oh, what's up?
It's the low battery.
Okay. Okay, good. Next, what number now? Group 1. Alice. Okay, Tamisha. Number 4. Number 4, yeah? What are the purpose of the text? What are the purpose of the text?
Let's write about the process of landslide and how this affects this model.
Okay, good. Yeah, very good. Jadi, how the purpose the landslide to explain the process of how landslide happen, occur, and then to addicted tadi apa? How the teens addicted to smoking. Okay. The last number, yeah. What is the benefit of reading the text? Apa manfaatnya? Okay, group 4.
By listening the text, we know about the process of landslide and how teens addicted to smoking.
Okay, now how the process. Jadi tadi lebih menarik mana? Menarik kan belajar pakai video?
Yes.
You know the process how the landslide happen. Okay, very good. Let's we enter to the next activity. Welcome for this section. Okay, the next section. Ya, perhatikan ada tugas yang lebih menantang lagi. Now I will ask you to compare, ya, membandingkan. Tadi you have watched two kind of text. You have watched two kind of text. Text about landslide and text about how teens addicted to smoking. Okay. Now I will present the text. Kalau tadi didengar saja, ditonton saja, sekarang Bunda akan tampilkan teksnya. But you have to compare, ya, let's see. You have to compare them to find similarity and differentiate related to social function, text structure, and linguistic element from both of text. Jadi kalian akan mengcompare, membandingkan ya, informasi pada teks 1 dengan teks 2 tentang apa similarity, apa similarity? Persamaannya. And differences perbedaan. Related to social function, dari segi fungsi sosialnya, struktur teksnya, kemudian unsur kebahasannya, linguistic element from both of text. Okay, I give you time 10 minutes to make to done this process, ya. This text. Nah, ini teksnya. Teksnya cukup panjang. Kalau tidak bisa, if you difficult to see the text on the slide, you can open your student worksheet, ya. Bisa lihat LKPD-nya dan I have shared in the Google Classroom. Time is short. 10 minutes for you, ya. Oke, silakan didiskusikan. Jadi untuk mencari tadi ini, ya, mencari bagaimana cara menyelesaikan, membedakan dan seterusnya, Anda bisa gunakan minutes. Di situ ada kolom-kolom bisa dibuat karena Anda bisa buat karena Anda ada yang bawa hari ini bisa ditulis di bukunya saja buat kotaknya, terserah bentuknya seperti apa yang jelas bisa dipahami. You can understand there is this is a similarity, this is a differentiation. Atau bisa langsung mengerjakan di KPD-nya. Boleh. Good. Oke. Nah. Oke, bisa langsung tulis di situ di LKPD-nya. Yang lain bisa menyimak LKPD yang e-book ya lewat Google Classroom. Oke, you write the only 10 minutes for you, ya. Ambil. Start with until. Okay. Start. Okay. When you want to present, maybe it's very hard alone. You can divide with your group, yeah. Okay. Present. Start and where is the end? Yeah. We start. You know, misalnya kalau panjang di situ, ya say until this one, okay? Only 7 minutes for you, yeah? Okay, sudah kirim. Ya, tidak ada masalah akses ya di Google Classroom. Oh, jadi nanti presentasinya agak lama ya. Jadi nanti kelompok ini presentasi kita aja ya supaya enggak pasti ya. Ini masih proses start lagi nih kan. Oke, kelas. Are you ready? Are you finished?
Finish.
Okay, now I want to ask you to present this discussion result. Jadi mempresentasikan hasil diskusinya. Okay, are you ready?
Ready.
Let's see. You have done it? Sudah kerjakan ini?
Yes.
Okay. Who wants to present the first? Siapa yang mempresentasikan pertama? Kelompok mana? It's group. What? Want to present the first? Group 1, 2, 3, 4. Want to present the first? Okay. Group 1, comes yours. Okay. Okay. The first social function.
Social function should teach to explain about the process how worldwide phenomenon happen. Kemudian perbedaannya pada tes pertama one slide to explain about one slide, menjelaskan bagaimana tentang usaha. Kemudian tes yang kedua how tea is addictive to smoking, to explain about how tea is addictive to smoking.
Okay, good. About number 2, the second. What is the similarity or differentiate the second section? What? Group 2, group 1? Group 1 again? Group 1, 2, 3? Okay, group 1, okay. Some is yours. The second, yeah? The second, about generic structure. Yang pertama, the first.
General statement.
Oh, ya.
Kedua,
of rock, mass, or soil until the
Okay, another group, pay attention with the other. Okay.
The essential process must be satisfied happen from ethnic, real, social, natural, moral,
Okay, what about the outings addicted to smoking? Oke, bisa dijelaskan masing-masing ini dulu perbedaan poin ini dengan poin ini dulu. Dari segi jurnalis atau mau bersama, mau sekaligus? Oke. Closing, what about closing?
Closing, less light, content, house. I learned how to set content until last light during the rainy season.
Oke, good, very good. Bomimin, kapan Bomimin? For group 1. Okay, what about differentiate with how is addicted smoking? How differentiate? Start group here. What? Oke, silakan sampaikan saja hasil diskusinya, berbagi. Jadi 5 with your group.
Of the part of the general subject.
Statement, general statement.
General statement. Yeah. Now, we remind help until for less and young adult.
Okay, what about the Spanish process?
That explain process that are often effort to image of celebration smoking until the health people from the community.
Okay, good. What about closing? Mention closing? Closing. Who wants to mention the closing? Yeah? Okay, Tasha? Alice?
I suggest that article moral radio until other family members come in the household.
Household. Yeah, household. Okay. Okay. What about language features? Who want to explain the similarity differences about language features? What group? What group? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, group 3. How is yours? Okay. The language features.
Use of simple present tense.
Okay.
Voice of subject verb, continue of verb and was non-verbs.
Non-verbs. Okay. Good. Next, what about landslide? That is about language features-nya. Ada yang bisa dijelaskan situ?
Landslide is a geological process that happen data has displaced massive.
Okay. How teens addicted to smoking?
Teens are often exposed passive. Smoking is no passive.
Will like. Okay.
Passive.
Okay, good. That's all. Okay, have fun for group 1 and 2. Okay, any others? Idea? Ada yang punya ide yang lain selain dari dapat kelompok 1, kelompok 2? Ada yang berbeda? Some is yours? Dari group 2. Oke? Coba silakan disampaikan hasil diskusinya dari kelompok 2. Some is yours? Okay, you may sit down, you may stand up, it's okay ya. Relax saja, ya santai saja. Enjoy, just enjoy katanya Tantri. Oke.
Hasil dari kelompok 4 itu similarity.
Kelompok 2, grup 2 ya. Terus lupa kelompoknya sampai. Oke, tahu sih.
Persamaan atau similarity dari kedua teks antara teks Lancelot dan Hawkins addictive smoking. Social function to explain about the process how or why phenomena happen. Kemudian dari perbedaan atau di
sangat menarik. Semua sudah kenal ini pasti. Kalau IPA udah tahu ya. What the picture about?
Butterfly.
Butterfly. Any others?
Proses pengerjaan
Life cycle of butterflies.
Life cycle of butterfly. Now, perhatikan ini text one. Kalian diminta untuk apa nih? To fill number in each one. Nah, yang mana yang which one come first and which one in the end? Mana yang pertama, mana yang terakhir? Okay, I give you time 5 minutes discuss with your group. 5 minutes,
takes quite a long time. First, starting from an egg laid by butterfly on a leaf, usually leaf of orange tree or other tree. This leaf is aimed to be the food for the caterpillars until this reaches adulthood when the time comes to become pupa or cocoon, and in some the day it will become a new butterfly. The egg that laid by a butterfly will hatch in 3 to 5 days. Then it becomes larva. The larva will walk to the edge of the leaf of houseplant and start eating it. Most of the larva it is empty egg shell as a first food.
Okay, good.
The other skin of the larva does not stretch following its growth, but it becomes very thick when larva will change its skin. Larva change its skin for about 4 to 6 times during its life.
When the larva reaches the maximum growth, larva will stop eating, walking to seek the nearest shelter, clinging themselves to a branch or a leaf with woven yarn. The larvae have entered the phase of pre-pupa, and for the last time, releasing the skin to form a pupa, cocoon. Cocoon. Pupa is usually hard, smooth, and in a form of structure without any leaf. Commonly, pupa is green, brown or the color according to the surroundings. The forming of a butterfly in the pupa usually takes 7 to 20 days, depending on the species. Once it is out of the pupa, the butterfly will crawl to the top so that the wings that still weak, crumpled and slightly can hang down and inflate normally. Immediately after the wings are dry, inflate and strong, the wings will open and close several times and the butterfly will attempt to fly.
Okay,